Yes, now it's about program number 7 from PUC second year computer science subject, C++ and data structure lab manual programs. Program description is write a C++ program to create a class with data members A, B, C and a member functions to input data, compute the discriminant based on the following conditions and print the oops, this is if discriminant is equal to 0, print this message. See, print the roots are equal and their value. If the discriminant is greater than 0, print the real roots and their values. If it is less than 0, print the roots that are imaginary and exit the right. So for this, roots of quadratic equation, that program it is. So it's a direct formula oriented program. So I've taken ready program for that. Let us go through with this program. So here we have taken IO string as well. Class name is quadratic and the three variables float, discriminant, x, x1, x2, read data, compute and display. So read data. So they are taking input values of A, B, C and quadratic compute they are writing definition for compute. They are calculating the discriminant minus b square minus 4ac. So b into b minus 4 into a into c. And in the display, see in the display, they are calling the compute method here only instead of main program. Compute is called inside the main program. This is called as a nested methods. Calling one method inside the body of another method is called as what? Nested method. Right, nested of member functions. In this, if the discriminant, if it is equal to 0, print the message that equal roots and calculate x equal to, right, here already see plus or minus b square minus 4ac it is, right. You can see here this formula. So here it is equal roots. Here already plus b square minus 4ac is already calculated. Now here it is x equal to, they are calculating the value for x minus b divided by 2 into a and that x values are being printed. Else if discriminant, if it is greater than 0, print this message real and distinct roots and x1 and x2 value you have to calculate, where in this you get minus b plus square root of discriminant whole divided by whole multiplication of 2 into a. Similarly, x2 is what? Minus b square root discriminant divided by 2 into a. Here you can see that one is plus, another is minus is there. Both the roots, root 1 and root 2 values are calculated. Otherwise, message will be printed as imaginary roots and it will come out. See, quadratic is a class, Q is the object name, Q dot read data and display. Compute they are not calling because inside the display only compute method is called here, which is called as a nesting of member functions, right? This is about the program number 7, right? So now in the next video, we'll check for next program, that is program number 8.